Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are looking at two GitHub indicators that tell you the full story of a project's development timeline. The first commit and the last commit. When did the project start writing code and when did they last touch it? A commit on GitHub is a validation of code. It's when a developer officially submits changes to the project's code base. The first commit marks the actual start of technical development when the code was versioned for the first time. The last commit tells you when someone last worked on the code. Together, these two dates tell you three critical things: the project's true technical age, the maturity of the development, and most importantly, is anyone still working on this? The color coding depends on the gap between the first commit and the crypto launch date. The larger the gap, meaning the code existed long before the token, the better. It means the technology was built first, proven, and then monetized. Let's take a look at Ethereum. When you click on the technology score with perfect score 100 over 100, you can see that the first commit and the last commit are both in green. So over 12 years of continuous development, because as you can see, the first commit was in December 25th, 2013, and the last commit, April 25th, 2026. That's today at the time I'm recording this video. So the code started years before the token launched and it's still being actively worked on right now, both in green. That's the gold standard. Now let's take Shiba Inu with a technology score of only 23 over 100. As you can see, the first commit was May 1st, 2021. The last commit October 28, 2021. Let that sink in. The entire GitHub activity lasted about 6 months. The first code was written in May 2021 and the last commit was in October of the same year. Since then, nothing. No updates, no fixes, no new features. The code has been completely abandoned for years. For a project with billions in market cap, that's a stark contrast. It confirms what we saw with the missing Chainlink partnership in a previous video. There is no active technology here. As usual, you can click on either date and you go directly to the project's GitHub page. There you can see every commit, every contributor, the full development history, verify it yourself. Use these two dates as your development reality check. First commit long before the token and last commit recent, active, mature, trustworthy development. First commit recent and last commit months or years ago. The code was built fast and abundant. That's a major red flag. GitHub first and last commit, when did the code start and is anyone still working on it? Check it on cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.